Today I will show you how to make professional ad images for your next business, so let's start. First, go to browser and search this. There are lots of free templates available. You can use this website a lots of purpose. Go to first row and select this. Select your image. OK, I select this. It takes some time and then it's processing automatically. OK, here's you see this type of page. Here you need to select how to show or what tips of style you need for your product. Here you see a lots of options like professional designer or usage. Select what you feel to gorgeous and adjust your type. I select this and adjust in my type and then click on Apply button. Here is another new page open. Here you can edit your product ad easily and seriously. This is too easy to use by new users. Now we can apply a background for this products. So we click on background and we see a lots free background available here. Then click on an image which perfectly match our product. Take time to select your product background for looks better. Like you make this image by a professional graphics designer. I also take time to select best and perfect background which perfectly match my products. After a long time I select this which I think look gorgeous and perfect. Then I need to add text in my image, so I need to go the text option. Here is the text option. Click on this and type your text. Here are lots of text style and yes, it's free. So select your favorite text and type your text. I select a text box with a text style and type my subject. It's smartwatch. Adjust your text and select the best color which perfectly matching our image. Here also if you need to take time because it's a best part of an image. Okay, then I need to add some stickers look like more professional and I need discount stickers for this image. So I select this one which perfectly match my image. I need some sticker like Buy Now option which look my images professional and attractive. Okay, Then we see there are lots of option and template, but we don't need nothing at TIA time. When we make another works or images, then we use this template and make our works easy and professional and attractive. But here is the option which are the best option ever. It's called AI Background Maker, which I think best option in present time. So when we don't find perfect background, then we click on this and this AI give me a best and perfect background. Now we see this AI give us some background, and yes, it's absolutely perfectly matching my images. Here is the result in front of you, all argues. There is my one and another which one AI gives. I think this is the best website in this time, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Then click on download button in the corner and select PNG or JPG option and select image quality and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future content. Thanks for watching.